Don't say that, Bo. Don't say that. It's really naughty.
Uptown funk you up, say.
Uptown you up.
You say frog.
Did Daddy say a bad word?
Yeah.
What did I say?
God fucking damn it.
Okay, say Stacy,
Cece.
and then say Spot.
Kardashian, keep your privates to yourself.
What did Emily say the other day?
I am so freaking pissed.
Wow.
You Nice idea.
What? Hey, what happened to Addison at her softball game?
It's a
Sissy, say truck. No, truck. Truck.
Old truck.
oh Wow, go to. My dad has a go to. Look, my dad has diabetes.
Honey, look at the size of him.
They're bigger than you.
They weigh about 2,000 pounds.
What about you, Mom? How much do you weigh?
What are you going to be on your next birthday?
A duck.
A duck?
I don't want a bicycle. I want lifted.
Oh, you want it lifted, not a bicycle?
Cool.
What is it?
It's a thing.
Oh boy, nothing like those things.
Give me a C.
C.
Give me an A.
A.
Give me a T.
T.
What does that spell?
Dog.
No.
Can you say, I broke a dozen
I broke it down
on Mommy's carpet?
on Mommy's carpet.
And now who has to clean it up?
You.
No, I'd rather have the one that hasn't been eaten.
Here.
Thanks.
$50. I thought you were a cheapskate. Am I fat? No, not very fat. Just a little bit? Yep. Thank you.
Oh.
I need a man. I, McKenna,
Promise,
promise,
Daddy,
Daddy,
that I will not
that I will not,
have any boyfriends.
that I will not
Have any boyfriends? Say it. Say, I will not have any boyfriends.
I just want to look at them though.
Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus.
Uranus,
What?
Uranus,
No, Uranus.
Uranus. The weather show is gonna be right back, okay?
How come?
Because the weather girl has to go potty.
Okay, so I'm not going to actually tell you where we're going, but you can try to spell it out. What letters do you see?
D-I-S-N-E-Y.
That's where we're going.
Yippee!
Do you know what it is?
Alaska!
We're not going to Alaska.
Why do you want to eat junk?
I don't mind my butt big.
But you don't want a big butt.
But I do want a big butt.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You want a small butt.
No. I want a big butt, just like Mommy's.
Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
What'd you wish for?
I wish for big booty.
Oh my God!
What does Nixon say?
I'm not quick.
What does Truman say?
The buck stops here.
What does Ronald Reagan say?
Mr. Gorbachev, turn it around.
What's Bill Clinton say?
I do not have something to a fat woman. You have to know always. Okay, you're finna.
You want me to get more beer?
Yeah.
But Daddy doesn't drink a lot of beer.
Or do you want to go to Pop and Cork beer store just so you can get another ring pop? You just want a ring pop, don't you?
What are you doing?
I'm picking the seeds off your burger.
Why's that?
Because I want to grow a burger tree for you.
Well, that is so sweet. That is so thoughtful of you. Thank you. How long does it take a burger tree to grow? Couple days? Alright, cool. We'll check back in a couple days.
Would you like a little brother or sister?
How about your dog?
How about a little brother or sister?
I learned about God and what else?
Who else did you learn about?
God and Cheez-Its.
God
and Cheez-Its.
God and Cheez-Its. Do you mean God and Jesus?
No, Cheez-Its.
Oh.
When I grow up, I want to be a vampire pet. I don't want to grow up. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Wanna find us to ride, wanna suffer say, hey! My name is Ross.
And how old are you?
62.
You are not 62.
Okay, say, I love festival.
I love festival. Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg, the Batmobile popped a wheel, and Joker broke his leg.
What your favorite thing is about shopping with me at Festival Foods for the holidays?
I don't like shopping with you. I like shopping with Daddy.
Oh, okay.
I want to be you. Da, 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 da.
No.
Candy canes. La 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 la. That's all I know, Mom. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun we had. Ah, darn it, I forgot the words.
What happened? No, wait. Just stay there for one more minute, okay?
Getting to spend time with Grandma and Grandpa and Mommy and Daddy and my sisters and aunts and uncles and cousins and...
And then we saw the steam starting to rise and we thought maybe we should get to...
No! A jingle bells, a jingle bells. I can't remember that.
You can't remember the rest?
I not eat cats or puppies.
You don't eat cats or puppies?
Least favorite Christmas food or dessert?
Eating lots of cookies. All I want for Christmas, my favorite
A Christmas tree with rainbow lights? Oh gosh, I like that part too. Frank, what's your favorite part about Christmas?
Keys. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish. That was a joke, Mama.
Okay. Cameron, what's your favorite part about shopping at Festival Foods?
Frank.
Beautiful.
That's all I know, but there's more.
Thank you. Can you wave bye?
Bye-bye.
Smile.
Bye. Bye, kids. See you later. I know. How about I say, be quiet. That means there's a firework coming. Dracula! It's the all-night fun! We hear say, shh. That means there's a firework.
What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before. I know. When it goes, shh, that means there's a firework here.
Oh, okay.
Apparently, sometimes I don't watch the news.
Now tell me, you know if this is a predator or a herbivore?
A plant eater.
He's a plant eater.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of dinosaur movies in my day.
Oh, have you?
But tonight...
Jonathan, you're looking good. Jonathan just got an awesome face paint job. What do you think?
I like turtles. All right, you're a great zombie.
Oh, so only when I give you cookies do you like me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I love you.
I love you too, but I don't like you all the time. Hey, I want to be famous. How sweet it was. Oh my God, I'm a tough homeless.
Say yo mama.
Yeah, Mama.
Say duh.
Duh. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Obama.
Obama who?
Obama. I do. Won't be gone. What's that sound?
Airplane. But tonight you belong to me.
That's a little lonely. That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Kanil Clark. Peace.